Nikujaga. Niku is meat and jaga means potatoes. So it's basically meat potatoes. I don't know if you can get this in your country. It's shirataki. I shouldn't do that. The focus kind of goes up. This is the focus. And it's basically like strings, not really strings, but you can't really see what I'm doing, right? I'm graining it and I'm gonna wash it as I talk. But looks like this. It looks like noodles of konnyaku. Konnyaku, it's kind of like, well, it's made out of konnyaku potatoes. It really looks like glass noodles, actually. So, today my potatoes are not that big. These are like really small. I have 6 of them. So, we are going to cut the potatoes. Not too small. Basically, try not to take skin off of any of the vegetables because there's a lot of nutrition in the skin. But normally people do. Okay, so with my carrot, it's the same thing. I don't take the skin off. I kind of cut it so that it becomes a triangular shape. You don't have to, but. And for these beans, you want to cut the end of them. You know, I made this dish. This was the first dish I made for my husband when we just started dating. And I made a mistake with salt and sugar. And I was so embarrassed. I love to cook. And I normally do a good job. And like this nikujaga tasted horrible. So I just started laughing and laughing intensively. And then this bean, for some reason, like I was eating it. It was in my mouth, but I was laughing. And then it like went up my nose, like from my mouth. And like it hurt so much. And I couldn't get it out because it's like way in there. He was like, I mean, we were both laughing about it, but at the same time, like we were both really scared about it. And he was going to call the ambulance. And it finally came out. It's just a funny story, so I make it again. But anyway, so you want your peas to be, not peas, beans to be about that much. I'm gonna use half a spring onion. And again, you don't want this to be too small. So today I'm going to be using beef. Thinly sliced beef. I use about 200 grams. And our onion and, not onion, carrots and potatoes. Okay, so while that is cooking, today I'm going to be using this dashi. I love this dashi. It's my favorite. And it's called Kayanoya. So if you ever come to Japan, get this. They have several types. I'm using the yaki ago. Ago is a type of fish, but they also have like vegetable dashi, which is also really good. Anyway, this brand is just wonderful. I'm going to be putting my onions in. And my beans in. Okay, so I need to put this in too. Sorry, I was trying to do my seashell recipe at the same time. When those seem really long, I'm gonna have to cut. Obviously do this before you put it in the pan normally. Yes, 1 cup of water. So some people, like if you're making miso soup, they put the whole thing in. It's like this really thin paper, but I just rip it and put the whole thing in because it's just really good stuff in here, you know, because it's fish and a lot of minerals and calcium, and it's good for your body and it gives it a wonderful flavor. 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of sake, 4 tablespoons of, oh, I burned myself, 4 tablespoons of mirin. Okay, and 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. You want to make sure all your spices or sauces are in the water. Okay, and then we cook for about 10 minutes. So you can kind of see that the liquid, there's more liquid, it's because of the water that comes out of the vegetables. So that's why you basically only need 1 cup. And like I said, I'm going to be using my shuttle chef. You put your pan. Put the lid on. Now with the shuttle chef, if you haven't seen my chili bean recipe, please do explain about it there. I just have to keep it in here for like about 30 more minutes and it will be done. If you don't have this, you could substitute it by like putting bath towels around your pot and like put a rubber band over it, or you can just keep cooking for about 20 more minutes, but you do want to put a lid on or else like there will be no liquid. So anyway, that's it. It's a very easy recipe. Okay, bye guys, have a nice day. Have a nice Mother's Day. It's still Mother's Day.